Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you noticed how AI tools are quickly getting smarter? Lately, everyone is talking about AI assistants and AI agents. While they sound similar, they work in completely different ways. In this video, we will break down the difference between an AI assistant and an AI agent, how they work, and why this shift matters for the future. Let's start with AI assistants. An AI assistant is a tool designed to help you perform specific tasks, but it relies on your direct instructions. Think of it like a helpful digital copilot. You ask a question or give a prompt, and it responds. If you do not give it a new command, it just waits. It is reactive, meaning it only acts when a human tells it to. On the other hand, we have AI agents. An AI agent goes way beyond answering simple prompts. Instead of waiting for step-by-step instructions, an agent is given a broad goal. It can independently create a plan, make decisions, and complete multiple steps all on its own with minimal human supervision. To make this super clear, picture planning a vacation. If you use an AI assistant, you have to prompt it at every single step. You ask, "Find me flight ideas to Tokyo under $800. It gives you options. Then you ask, "Now find me a hotel near the subway." You constantly guide the conversation to finish your plan. Now imagine giving that exact same task to an AI agent. You simply say, "Book me a 5-day trip to Tokyo next month with an overall budget of $2,000. The AI agent takes over. It independently compares flight options, checks hotel reviews, makes the bookings, and sends you a finalized itinerary without needing step-by-step guidance. So, what makes an AI agent able to do all this on its own? Agents rely on advanced reasoning loops like the React framework, dynamic memory, and external tool access. They break complex objectives into smaller subtasks, check their own progress, and actively connect to web search, software tools, or payment systems to act on the real world. To summarize the big picture, AI assistants enhance your personal productivity by acting as copilots for individual tasks. AI agents take things further by automating full end-to-end workflows and decision-making processes. Assistants wait for your next move, while autonomous agents actively take action to reach a goal. As AI technology evolves, we are moving from simple tools that just answer questions to smart agents that handle entire projects for us. Which type of AI tool do you use more in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear tech explanations. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.